Hello everybody and welcome back. In today's video I'll be talking about what's called the manipulation commands in AutoCAD, and I'll be covering the move, copy and mirror commands. To start with the move command, go to home ribbon, from modify panel, click on move tool and select the objects you want to move. In this case I'll select the chair and right click, pick a base point, then simply click to pick a second point to make the movement, or you can just type a distance to make like a displacement. For example, if I type 50 centimeters and then enter, it will move that chair for 50 centimeters. One of the fundamental things in AutoCAD that you never ever draw anything twice. Draw it once and then make copies. To use the copy tool, again from the home ribbon, modify panel, I'll go for copy, and the software will ask me select objects, so I'll select the chair again, right click, and then select a base point. I'll select that base point again, and now you can see another copy is moving. Once I'm satisfied with that location, I can just click, and there, here we go, we have another copy, and the command continues to make other copies unless I do enter or escape, which will end the command. To make a mirror of an object, from home ribbon again, modify and select mirror. The software will ask me to select object again. I'll select the whole thing, then right click, specify first point of mirror line. The mirror line is like kind of symmetry line, so when I select that, you can see another copy, mirrored copy, start to show up. Now select the second point of the mirror line. The software will ask me, do you want to erase the source object, which is this one, or you want to keep it? So I'll say no, so I want to keep it, and here we go, we have the mirrored copy of the object. That's it for now, and I'll be covering the rest of the manipulation commands in AutoCAD in the next video. Thank you for watching, and hopefully see you later.